On Wednesday, the 20th of January, Joe Biden took office as the 46th President of the United States. The President swore the oath of office at the traditional ceremony on the steps of the Capitol. The building had witnessed a violent attack on democracy just weeks before. President Trump chose not to join other former presidents at the peaceful transfer of power. This tradition saw Presidents Obama, Bush and Clinton in attendance. Another missing feature was the public, who fill the National Mall. COVID restrictions prevented crowds, and nearly 200,000 flags stood in their place. Biden, now 78 years old, had always hoped to win the presidency. He sets a new record for the age of a president taking office.
Preserve, protect, and defend
the Constitution of the United States.
the Constitution of the United States.
So help you God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, Mr. President.
The first woman vice president also took office on the day. Kamala Harris's election represents a huge step forward for women. At the same ceremony, 108 years ago, men blocked the streets to Votes for Women campaigners.
I, Kamala Davy Harris, do solemnly swear
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States
against all enemies, foreign and domestic.
against all enemies, foreign and domestic.
Biden called for unity as Americans address the challenges they face. He pledged to tackle the pandemic and unemployment and help the nation heal.
Today, on this January day, my whole soul is in this, bringing America together, uniting our people, uniting our nation. And I ask every American to join me in this cause.
Lady Gaga performed the national anthem. Jennifer Lopez sang a heartfelt medley before some inspiring words from the nation's youth poet, Amanda Gorman.
For there is always light if only we're brave enough to see it, if only we're brave enough to be it.